Welcome to Global City Guide, your passport to the most stunning destinations around the world. Today, we're heading to Ha Long Bay, Vietnam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its emerald waters, towering limestone islands, and timeless beauty. Whether you crave peaceful cruises, natural wonders, or cultural depth, Ha Long Bay has it all. Located in northern Vietnam, Ha Long Bay is a serene seascape dotted with over 1,600 limestone islands rising dramatically from emerald green waters. Its name means, descending dragon, a nod to the legendary tale of dragons sent by the gods to protect the Vietnamese people. One of the best ways to experience this magical place is on a traditional wooden junk boat cruise. You can choose a day tour or spend a night aboard, drifting gently beneath the starlit sky. Don't miss the awe-inspiring caves like Thien Cung, known as the Heavenly Palace, or Sung Sot, the Surprise Cave, both filled with glowing stalactites and dreamlike chambers. For a more intimate experience, rent a kayak and paddle through hidden lagoons, narrow channels, and floating villages. T-Top Island offers a bit of adventure with a hike to the top for panoramic views of the bay, perfect for travelers who love photography and peaceful moments above the water. Seafood lovers will be delighted by the fresh catch served on board. Grilled squid, steamed clams, and crab hot pot are all must-tries. Many overnight cruises also offer Tai Chi sessions at sunrise, giving you a mindful start to the day amid nature's calm. The best time to visit is from October to April when the skies are clear, and the temperatures are cooler, perfect for comfortable exploration. From silent sunrises over the limestone cliffs to golden sunsets shimmering on calm waters, Ha Long Bay is not just a destination, it's an unforgettable experience for the soul. If you're dreaming of a journey filled with peace, culture, and natural wonder, Ha Long Bay is waiting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Global City Guide for more stunning places around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.